Welcome to our tutorial on how to change the mouse pointer color in Windows 10. Customizing the mouse pointer color can add a personal touch to your computer and make it more visually appealing. In this video, we will guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Press the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Step 2. Then, pick Ease of Access. Step 3. From the left menu, select Mouse Pointer under the title Vision. Step 4. Under Change Pointer Color, select Custom. Step 5. Choose from the colors that pop up. Step 6. For more colors, press on. Pick a custom pointer color. Step 7. Choose the desired color, then press Done. Congratulations! You have successfully changed the mouse pointer color in Windows 10. By customizing the mouse pointer color, you can make it more visible and tailor it to your personal preferences. Whether you prefer a vibrant color or a subtle shade, Windows 10 allows you to easily change the mouse pointer color to suit your style. Remember, you can always go back to the mouse pointer settings and change the color whenever you want. Feel free to experiment with different colors until you find the one that matches your taste. And there you have it. You now know how to change the mouse pointer color in Windows 10. By following these simple steps, you can add a touch of personality to your computer and make it uniquely yours. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.